Namaskar, I am Jagdeep Kumar Singh and today we are going to solve a problem of the chapter construction, and the problem is draw two concentric circles of radii 2 cm and 4 cm. Take a point P on the outer circle and construct a pair of tangents PA and PB to the smaller circle. Measure PA. Let us learn the method to solve this problem. And we already know the concept of concentric circles. Two or more circles are said to be concentric circles if they have the same center. Okay. In order to draw circles, first of all we have to draw a line segment that measures more than the given length. Here the maximum length is 4 centimeters, so the line segment must be more than 4 centimeter. Okay. Now the radius of the smaller one circle is given 2 centimeters. So by taking the radius 2 centimeter, I draw a circle. Okay. And as I draw the circle, I get this circle. Okay. And again the radius of the another circle is given, or the outer circle or bigger circle is given 4 centimeters. So I take the length 4 centimeter, or the radius of the outer circle as 4 centimeter. Okay, and let this be the outer circle. Okay, and let O be the center of both concentric circles, and let OQ be the radius of a smaller circle, and OP be the radius of outer circle or bigger circle. And now we are given that we have to draw a pair of tangents from the point P on the outer circle. We have to draw tangents from the point P on the outer circle to a smaller circle PA and PB. So we have to divide this line segment OP, where O is the center of the smaller circle and P is the point from where we have to draw a pair of tangents. So we have to divide this line segment OP into equal parts, and it is very easy, and we already know how to divide this line segment. First of all, we have to fix the needle of the compass at this point P, and we have to expand the compass more than the half of OP, and draw an arc like this and draw arc like this. Now lift the needle of the compass and fix it at the point O and draw the arc like this. Now we have to join this point of intersection with this point of intersection using ruler, and as I join, I get like this. This is the point of intersection. Now this will be considered as center, and like as O and P. This will taking, if I say it point R, then considering OR or RP, because R is the midpoint of OP, so RO or RP will be equal. So considering R as center and O or RO or RP as radius, we have to draw a circle. Okay, and this is the circle I got. Now this circle cuts a smaller circle at this point and this point. So we have to join this point of intersection, and this point of intersection with point B. Just join, and as I join this is P. I can say it A and I can say it B. Here PA and PB are the required tangents. I can write here PA and PB. PA and PB are required tangents. And what informations are given here? Here it is given OQ. OQ is given 2 centimeter and OP is given 4 centimeter. Again, you are required to measure PA. In this question, you are required to measure PA. And how will you measure PA? You can measure PA using ruler. You can simply find the value of PA by using ruler. If you use the ruler, you may get incorrect measurement due to the error. So you never use the ruler to measure the length. Okay. You can get the length of PA is equal to the square root of the radius of larger circle minus the square of the radius of a smaller circle, and you get 4 4s are 16 minus 4 is equal to 12, which is equal to 2 root 3 and 2, and you know that the value of root 3 is 1.732, and as you multiply 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14 and 2 1s are 2 1 3, you get 3.464 centimeter. So you can write here PA is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, you must remember that this calculation must be done in the rough page, not here. Okay, thank you.